Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In a previous episode, I showed you how to fabricate a bracket to be used to mount the manifold pressure sensor to the battery box in the Sonex aircraft that I'm building. In this episode, you'll see the process of installing this bracket and the manifold pressure sensor directly to the battery box in the engine compartment. Now I'm going to continue to keep you updated as this build progresses, and as I said before, I'm going to film the first flight and all of the flight test procedures, so you're definitely not going to want to miss this. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of this exciting adventure. Be sure to let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any other details of the build that you would like to see. I hope you enjoy this episode, and thanks for watching. Okay, so we have the bracket that we made the other day to be used for the manifold pressure sensor, and I've drilled some pilot holes in the battery box where we're going to attach this. So I'm going to temporarily attach the bracket using clecos, which are spring clamps, temporary rivets, and these are the small rivets, small clecos for the pilot holes. Now I'm gonna up drill the hole to the 1/8 inch for the rivets. And put a copper colored cleco in there to hold it. Go ahead and up drill this next one. And exchange it for a copper color cleco. Take the small silver cleco out. Up drill. Copper cleco. And one more. Okay, now we'll take this off. We'll clean up those holes. We need to deburr the holes on both sides, and then we'll be ready to rivet. And I marked this with an up, so I know which way it goes, so we know the holes will line up. Deburr these holes with the deburring tool, and on the inside we'll deburr it with a file, small file, flat file. Okay. Cleco it back into position. And insert a rivet. Okay. Okay, there's another rivet in here. Okay. Rivet puller on there. All right. Okay, that's riveted in place. Okay, and now that we have the bracket riveted in place, we can attach the manifold pressure sensor to the screw through the screw holes. Okay, that's attached. So now you can plug into the connector . There we go. Tags can come off of here now. Okay, manifold pressure. Okay. Then the hose from the turbo intake goes over to and plugs into here to give it the engine manifold pressure.